and welcome to the special international news segment. I am Poisi Purohit.
Hi, I'm Anthan Shetty.
And we are the delegation of the People's Republic of China from Ryan International School, Sanpara, here for Inman 2025.
China, with its capital in Beijing, is a nation with 1,000 years of history, meet the momentum of modern ambition. From the Silk Road of the past to the digital highways of today, China acts as a bridge between eras and continents.
Today, we bring you 5 stories. From economic breakthroughs and green innovation to bold ventures into space, the preservation of timeless traditions, and diplomacy that reshapes the entire global map. We begin with the economy, the beating heart of national vitality. China daily reports steady GDP growth this quarter, achieved despite turbulence in global markets. These aren't just energy plants, they are monuments to a promise: peak carbon emissions before 2030 and carbon neutrality by 2060. The United Nations Environment Programme hails China's renewable push as unmatched in ambition, calling it a tipping point in the world's climate response. This is China's message to the world: economic progress and environmental protection can advance together. In science and innovation, China's gaze is fixed far beyond our own horizon. The China National Space Administration is preparing the next chapter in its Chang'e lunar program, aiming to retrieve samples from the far side of the moon, a feat no nation has ever achieved.
International media, including the BBC, describe this as a bold stride into the new space era. Each mission is more than a technical triumph, it's an invitation to the next generation to dream bigger, to reach higher, and to see exploration as a new human endeavor. Yet even as China steps into the future, it treasures the heartbeat of its past. According to Xinhua, cities nationwide are preparing for the Mid-Autumn Festival with lantern-lit streets, mooncake artistry, and family reunions that echo across centuries.
UNESCO has recognized many elements of Chinese culture, from Peking opera to dragon boat racing, as global heritage. These customs remind the world that China's progress is rooted in the enduring values of harmony, unity, and respect for tradition. And now to the global stage, where China's voice carries clarity and purpose. In recent weeks, Beijing has hosted leaders from Africa and Latin America for summits that move beyond ceremonial handshakes to forge real commitments.
The Belt Road Initiative, now linking more than 150 nations, is more than a vision. It is railways humming across continents, ports alive with trade, and classrooms where knowledge travels without borders. One delegate at the summit put it best: when China builds a bridge, the whole world can cross. That is the spirit we carry forward.
From markets that connect continents to turbines that power the future.
From rockets that reach the moon to lanterns that light the night sky, and from diplomacy that opens the doors of generation for a new heritage, we are the delegation of the People's Republic of China, signing off. Meet you at Inman 2025.